Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to get DoorDash promo codes. Getting DoorDash promo codes is a great way to save money when ordering food online. These codes can give you discounts, free delivery, or special deals on your favorite meals. Many websites share new promo codes every day, so it's easy to find one that works. With just a few steps, you can grab a code and enjoy cheaper orders on DoorDash. First, open Google Chrome or any other browser on your device. Then, in the search bar, type DoorDash promo codes and press enter. Now, you'll see many websites that share the latest discount codes. Click on any trusted website from the search results. Once the page opens, you'll see a list of promo codes with different offers. Next, click on Show Coupon Code next to the offer you like. Here, you can copy the code and use it while placing your order on the DoorDash app or website. You can also try more promo codes to see which one gives you the best discount. And that's it, you've found and used a DoorDash promo code to save on your next meal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.